And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here, and we're in the shop. The task at hand I need to take these two pieces of copper wire and make them fit to see where they're supposed to fit. You see I'm using a bench pin. And there's a little groove filed in it there. Hey, that one fits. Try it in its intended home. Hey, goes in. Fit. Yeah, the two leads for my electric reversing lead screw going to come out of here, solder the wires on. That's a little bit later. Okay, this is fitted. These fit good. Hey gang, Poppy here. I promised one of my subscribers that I would show with better detail how to measure a reamer. This is a reamer. This is a measuring tool. And now you want to measure across the diameter. That's how you measure a reamer. If it has equal or divided by 2 flutes, if it has unequal, you're in problems because you're going to need a special micrometer with triangular. They're very expensive. So have fun. Hey gang, earlier you saw me make these fit the power supply. Now I'm going to solder them to the wires. Yep. You always want the metal of your solder connections nice and clean. Now, see on this toothpick, flux. Soldering iron, solder. There we go. You want to heat the biggest part. That's this 10 gauge copper wire, so it sucks the solder to it, not the light, the thin parts. Okay, now next. A little bit of flux. Soldering iron. Solder. There. Turn off the soldering iron. Now we have two wires. And they want insulating, don't they? Hot. Who would think you just finished soldering something and it'd be hot? Now my heat shrinker. Ta-da! Now, hot, 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 hot. Excuse me while I go get the motor.